like this. Pepperberry. That's difficult to say. This is very small. Hi guys, in this video we are going to be unboxing the Lookfantastic beauty box of August. This is the Radiance box to radiate positivity. They claim that the overall value is £55 and I have paid €20. For this month we have two variations of the box. I don't really get that because we don't have a makeup profile for Lookfantastic. It is not like with Ipsy bags, so I think it is very random. What are your thoughts? I'm like this. Let me know in the comments if you received the same box like mine. So this box contains 6 products and at the end of this video we're going to calculate the overall value. So we're gonna see if it is actually £55. So this is the box of August. I think we had these colors again for February in reverse. Okay, it's a nice box. So let's see what we have. It says, do more of what makes your soul radiate. I totally agree, and yes, we have the leaflet this time. The beauty box said it. It is so much easier to have this while filming. We have the beautiful sticker again, and let's start. I'm very curious to see which box I have. So the first product is this one here by Pierre. This is the mineral blush in the shade Amaretto. This is cruelty free. This is made in PRC and it can last up to 36 months. This can last. That's good. A couple of days ago I have started using a translucent powder by Pierre and it is very nice. So I'm very excited that I got this blush, and we have a shifter. Also a sticker. This is creamy, non-comedogenic and recommended by both makeup artists and dermatologists. This mineral blusher will bring a healthy flash of color to your face. I'm very curious about the color because usually this type of shades never look good on me. It is very tightly stuck on the packaging. Oh my god, okay. So the powder is very finely milled and ooh, it's very soft. So I think it is a little bit too dark for me, but I'm gonna try it and update you because you never know. Maybe it looks amazing. This one looks like a full size. I'm very happy about that. If it's not a full size, we have a lot of products, so that's nice. After that, we have a product by the brand Ahava. I'm not sure. Maybe I'm killing the name. And this is the Dead Sea Water Mineral Body Lotion. And it says it is the Sea Kissed. We have 40 milliliters. It looks like a mini size. This can last up to 6 months. It is skin friendly, allergy tested. We didn't have a safety net. I always say that. I mean, you know, protective layer. It is very, very spreadable. It smells very nice. It has a very refreshing scent. It is fast absorbing and it's not very sticky. So let's see what the leaflet says. It is filled with minerals and antioxidants, perfect for sensitive skin, free from parabens and harsh synthetic ingredients. That's very nice. I think this brand was very popular a few years ago. Ahava. They had a hand cream, I think, and everybody was raving about it. Let me know if you have tried any other products by this brand. Let's continue with the Mio Sun Drenched Body Wash. This is a gentle golden micellar cleanser. Golden? What does that mean? And we have 30 milliliters. It looks like a mini size. And it says apply to wet skin in the shower or bath. Massage to release the creamy foam. Rinse well. So with this one you can exfoliate your body, not your face, because I thought this was for the face. So if this is a body product, this is not a lot of product. I may use it 2 or 3 times. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, it is golden. It has some golden flakes. It smells like orange. Maybe it has orange extract. So the beauty edit says yes. So this one has a delightful citrusy scent and deeply hydrate your skin with this Mio body wash or Mayo, not sure. Formulated with Indian fig extract and the monk's pepper berry. Pepper berry? That's difficult to say. To give an instant soothing effect for both the mind and the body. I wish that we had more product because it looks amazing and it smells very nice. So now I need to wash my hands, so just a sec. I'm back. So here we have a product that I think I have again, and this is by the brand Percy Reed, and it is the Perfectly Perfecting Wonder Balm. I think I got this in the Amazon Advent Calendar of 2019. I'm not very sure, but I haven't tried it yet because I was using another treatment for my hair, the Moroccan oil treatment. That's amazing, I really like it. This one here is the Miracle Leave-In Balm. Preps and primes your hair in readiness for all styling products and techniques. If it is difficult for you to style your hair, for example, if you want to make them curly and they cannot hold the curls, you can use a product like that before styling. I don't really know if this one works, so let me know if you have tried it already and if you like it. With this one we have 30 milliliters. This is a mini size again. So maybe I can use this again 2-3 times because I have a lot of hair and long hair. Apply to towel dried hair, working from roots to ends to prep hair for styling. You can also use it on a dry styled hair to maximize definition. I'm guessing you can add volume with this one. So let's see what we have next. This is the Black Magic Mascara for Drama and Curl by the brand Eyeko. It says it is designed for after hours seduction. Our unique brush creates drama, volume and curl combined with an extreme carbon black water resistant finish. I have one more mascara by Eyeko, but I haven't tried it yet. Ooh, we have a curved applicator. I like that. I think the brush is ideal for my lashes. I haven't tried this before. I'm very happy that I got it, but it looks like a mini size. I don't think this is the full size. So let's see if we have any information about it. Oops, I missed the pages. I'm trying to find if this is a full size, but their website is so slow, guys. So we have 4 milliliters. This is a mini size. The full size is 8 milliliters. What is happening with this box? For the mascara, a mini size product is not that bad because you can travel with it. This one claims that it is no smudging, flaking or crumbling, just black, fluttery lashes for up to 12 hours. I like mascaras like this one, so I really hope that it can work for me. After that we have an even smaller product by the brand Caudalie. This is the Vino Perfect Serum Eclat. Oh, it says Radiance Serum Complexion Correcting for all skin types. We have 10 milliliters, even a less product. So you can apply this on your face morning and evening before your moisturizer. And this is made in France. It can last up to 9 months, but this is very small, so you're gonna use it in just 1 month. It says vino, so I'm guessing we have something from grapes. This one is packed full of viniferine. So this is 62 times more effective than vitamin C, and it is scientifically proven to lighten dark spots in just 4 weeks. It doesn't say that this is a spot treatment, so I'm guessing it's not. This is very small. I'm curious about the scent. No, it doesn't smell like wine or grapes. So for me the products were very randomly selected. I don't see this positivity. I don't like the variety of the products. I don't like that we got mini size products. I don't get the theme of the products. I have done my calculations. The overall value is £59.48, which is more than 20 euros that I have paid, but I don't like this box. Let me know in the comments if you received the same box. Do you like the products? You can also watch this video here. If you like this one, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!